Hello, welcome back to Lantu a Bike channel. Today's video is going to take you through the assembly process of our electric trike. When your trike arrives, it'll come in 3 boxes. Tools required. Take out all the accessories from the box. Take out 2 stainless steel pin from this chain bag. Put the stainless steel pin into the slot. The smooth side of the gasket faces outwards. Repeat the last step. Tighten the screws with a number 19 wrench. Rear wheel assembly completed. Next, assemble the front wheel. Remove this piece. Insert the rotor. Insert the quick release lever, 1 spring on each side. Front wheel is assembled. Next, install the handlebar. The screws on the right and bottom can adjust the handlebar angle. The middle screw is for adjusting left and right. And the screws on the right and bottom are for adjusting up and down angles. Please note that there is a screw from the inside out. Remove these 4 screws. We now need to join the main frame assembly, which is here to the main axle, and all you do is just slide them into place like this and line up the bolt holes. There's 4 bolts that hold on the rear axle assembly to the frame. This screw near the rotor is installed last and without a washer. Keep all screws fairly loose for the moment because we need to do a final adjustment when everything's ready. Next, assemble the chain. Find the connection. The chain is loose at this time, tighten the frame like this. Then tighten the 4 screws. Next, assemble the brake caliper. Remove this piece. Next, assemble the rear fender. Don't screw it in too much, just tighten it enough so it won't fall off. Remove these 4 screws. Put the basket on. Adjust the position of the fender. Tighten the screws. Next, assemble the pedals. R is right, L is left. Be careful not to mix up the left and right. Tighten with a number 15 wrench. Next, assemble the saddle. Don't go below the safety line. Next, assemble the front fender and light. The height of the fender can be adjusted. Connect the cable. Just align the 2 arrows and insert it directly. Next, cut the tie, being careful not to damage the paint. Plug in the corresponding connector. Then tie the cable to the frame. Next, put the battery on. How to remove the battery. Congratulations, you have assembled the trike, and now enjoy riding.